Coincidence? I think not. But y'all, the internet isn't stupid. Fans started connecting the dots, and it's looking real bad for Colleen. People are saying this was a calculated move to push Justin out and take control of the movie. And when Justin's lawyer started making noise about subpoenas and digital evidence, Colleen, yup, you guessed it, deleted her Instagram. Like, girl, what are you hiding? Now, some folks are saying Colleen might have been manipulated by Blake. Maybe Blake fed her stories about Justin to get her on her side. But honestly, at this point, it doesn't matter. Colleen made her choices, and now she's facing the consequences. Whether she was a pawn or the mastermind, she's looking real funny in the light.